if you want to go from this to this, keep on watching.
I always start off with skincare, y'all, like always, because that's the most important part. If your makeup is dry, like if your skin is dry, your makeup is gonna be dry. And you also always want to prime your face. Now, I used to be a non-primer girly, but now I'm an advocate. So if I can do it, y'all can do it, and I will definitely recommend that. Under my eyebrows, y'all, I know y'all wondering, what did this girl just use? I use a NYX Fix-It Stick. That's the only thing I will ever use until they discontinue it, because it's the best thing that was ever invented. It's literally perfect. I'll have to do a separate video on why I love that thing, but yeah, it's literally perfect. If you have it, comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. Brows are easy peasy, and I feel like they're very personal. The products I use, I'm going to list them down below for y'all. It's just some little Ulta products. I'm using a tinted foundation for my like base makeup today, y'all, because I don't want anything too heavy. Like, all of my foundations are really light. Like, I have the NARS foundation is really light, and then I have this one. Like, they're really light coverage, because I find my makeup could get real cakey after I put the concealer on, you know. I'll be using a lot of makeup, and this is a no makeup look. Make sure you spray your face. My Tower 28 concealer, as I always do, and I'm just applying that liberally, even though I forgot that this is a no makeup look.
The love of everything, please let your concealer dry. If you don't do nothing else, let it dry.
I'm just blending out my concealer with my Real Techniques brush, tapping it really lightly. And then I go in with my beauty blender to finish the blending process. And I'm setting under my eyes with my One Size powder. I use that one and my Huda Beauty. Not today, but I just switch between those when I'm doing my makeup. And I love to contour my nose. Like, I didn't used to like to, but I think now that I'm older and I know what I'm doing, like, it just looks so cute. I'm also going in with blush instead of powder bronzer, just because I want it to look more girly and playful. I don't want it to be really harsh. And I know you're probably like, girl, you're wig band, you're not blending. And I am, babe. Trust the process, okay? I'm the queen, okay? I love doing this trick, y'all. You just take some highlight and put it on your inner corner, and it makes you just look so alive and awake. And also put it under your brow bone. I also did take some baking powder and chisel out my cheek. I love to do that too. It just makes it look so much cleaner. I got that from a makeup artist. I'm sure you guys have seen that all over Instagram. I also do highlight my nose. I love highlight. And today for my lip combo, I'm going pretty in pink. Well, it's more of a natural pink. And I'll list everything down below for you guys so you can get the look. Thanks for watching.
Please, if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below your favorite part. Let me know if what you didn't like about this video. And if you didn't like anything about this video, that's fine. I still love you. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And remember, stay positive, y'all. Don't judge anybody, because we're all going through stuff that nobody knows about. Be kind, spread positivity, even if you don't feel like it. Even if you don't feel like spreading positivity to others, spread it to yourself.